And also, I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Pepe 2.0 fam, I am back with another video for you guys. We're about to get super bullish on this one. We're about to dive deep into Pepe 2.0 like we always do. There's some nice updates. There's some nice tweets that we're going to get into, and also a video from the TradFi markets that signals the start of the bull run, guys. I really think the start of the bull run is already here, and things are going to get even crazier. And, you know, I think it's going to be great for Pepe 2.0. Remember, in a bull run, projects typically go even more bonkers, right? So the video that I'm about to dive in and show you guys is going to be great, you know. And also, if you hold 1 billion Pepe 2.0, 1 billion, right, you won't want to miss this, guys. So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video, and always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project. Let's make sure my audio is on point for this one, guys. And I got this video from the CEO of BlackRock himself. First they ignore you, then they fight you, then you win, guys. Look at what he has to say here.
And also, I do believe the role of crypto is it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of the foundation of BlackRock is about hope. You invest for retirement because you believe tomorrow is better than today.
Straight from the horse's mouth, guys. Straight from the horse's mouth. 10 to 15 trillion dollar asset fund manager, BlackRock, bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. Whenever that spot ETF goes live, if it gets approved, guys, they might want to say, oh, this is not gonna be this is gonna be another buy the rumor sell the news event. But over time, this is gonna give access to so many people to the new to crypto in the TradFi markets, in the stock market, institutional investors, that huge money that people always ask, where's the new money is gonna come from? This is where it's gonna come from, guys, and it's gonna be absolutely crazy, right? It's gonna be absolutely bonkers. What does this mean for Pepe 2.0? Well, before we get further into the video with the updates, if, for example, Bitcoin starts to go ballistic, Ethereum will go ballistic as well. The Pepe 2.0 chart and the pair for Pepe 2.0, it's paired with Ethereum. And as long as the community stays active, you guys keep crushing it like you did back here, and you absolutely sent it to new all-time highs. When the market sentiment gets more bullish, guess what? That Ethereum pairing with the breakout of Ethereum and Bitcoin could be a positive price impact for Pepe 2.0. Now, as far as the update that we got a new website for Pepe 2.0, man. When I opened it up, I was like, oh man, that's so cool, right? Pepe 2.0 basically embodying community, and you can see that represented here with the website, right? A community of all kinds of different people just coming together, man. And that's what, you know, meme coins are all about, or Web3 in general. Web3 in general is all about community, man. Even in, you know, use case altcoins, if a project has a community, it has more chances of success, right? Pepe 2.0 community is one of the most bullish communities I've seen. So, you know, so far I'm just impressed by what is happening for the project, and I'm rooting for the success of the project. Send it to a billion market cap, man. Send it to match Pepe's market cap. I wouldn't be mad. Like, I'm so impressed by what has transpired with it, right? Bro, I'm back. Pepe 2.0 is not an upgrade, it's a revolution, unleashing the next level of innovation and adventure with a fusion of cutting-edge advancements and awe-inspiring innovations. We're taking everything you loved about the original Pepe and catapulting it into a whole new dimension of excitement. Yes, sir. Contract is announced. 1% buy and sell tax. They got NFTs that they recently created as well. You can slap that buy button. Are you ready to dive into a world where the extraordinary becomes the norm? Join us on the exhilarating journey and be a part of the revolution. Pepe 2.0 is the future, and it's waiting for you. Get ready to rewrite the rules, redefine your limits, and become a legend. Nice website update, guys. Very nice stuff from the website, man. But yeah, right now Pepe 2.0 sitting at 52 million market cap, 94 million in 24-hour trade volume. 94 million 24-hour trade volume. Are you serious? What? That is insane. Where's all that trade volume come? Obviously from the DEX. 24 mil on Uniswap, 8 mil on KuCoin. Just remember they got that KuCoin listing. 4.6 on Uniswap V3, 4.6 on Gate.io, 2.6 on Bybit. Crazy stuff, man. If you hold, let's say 150, if you hold 1 billion Pepe 2.0, that could make you some nice gains in the future, man. I'm telling you guys, like, who's to say it can't do another 100x from here, right? 5 billion market cap, $5.2 billion in market cap, 100x on $150. Let's see, 150 times 100, that's 15k, right? So who's to say that can happen, man? Obviously never invest more than you're willing to lose. When it comes to meme coins, in my opinion, I don't go too crazy on meme coins. I just invest, you know, around 100 to 500 in that range, and I stick with that for when it comes to investing in meme coins, because they are very risky. And if I lose that amount, it's not gonna be anything that, you know, I go home to cry about, right? I'm not gonna be super like sad about it, right? When it comes to meme coins, you should never invest an amount that you lose sleep over, right? So if you're invested like $5,000 to $10,000 into meme coins and you know you can't afford it, I think you need to take a step back, right? But yeah, a few $100s into Pepe 2.0, you get 100x from here. If projects like Saitama in the last cycle went to 7 billion market cap, I think Saitama went to 7 billion. The hype and the hype and everything that's happening with Pepe 2.0, all the influencers talking about it, everything that is going on, 100x from here, I wouldn't rule it out at all, man. I really wouldn't. I honestly, I'll be real with y'all, I honestly thought, you know, after this retrace back down, it would not really start to make a comeback, right? But it did, and it absolutely went bonkers. I think it got all the way up to 100 mil market cap, right, at the all-time high. So now it's on a retrace down 28%. Now would be a good time to DCA, you know, buy a small amount for now. It's on exchanges like KuCoin, so you don't have to worry about gas fees that much. Then you buy on KuCoin and withdraw to your wallet, you know, because you can't really keep, it's not smart to keep your assets on exchanges. But yeah, guys, now would be a nice time to DCA in. It may keep retracing from here. Let me take a look at trading view, actually see if we could see the support levels more properly. Let's see, man. Let's see. Pepe 2 MXC chart. Let's see. This is the 1 hour chart, so you can see right here the next support level would be around this line right here, around that 00110 range. That'll be the next support level. So let's see what happens after this retrace that we're having. Is it gonna hold that support, go sideways and bounce from there? We're gonna see, man. Pepe 2.0 fam, I think the project got everything it takes to keep being a sender, man. It started a whole new narrative for Ethereum projects, right? And from your new Pepe 2.0 website is clean, full sender. He knock right here, a lot of influencers bullish on it, man, and that's what you like to see, right? Because the more awareness a project have, especially community projects, the more they blast off, man. From Dyna BRC20, all season is right here on Pepe 2.0, 0.15 billion volume today. The volume on Pepe 2.0 is insane. Like, it's rivaling like Pepe. It's rivaling Pepe and Sheeb and Doge. 95 million volume. Doge is at 211 mil. Sheeb is at 95 mil, so it's rivaling Sheeb's volume. Where's Pepe at? Pepe, where you at, Pepe? Look at that, $151 million in volume for Pepe. So it's not even that far off from, you know, the amount of volume that the project is generating. Crazy stuff, man. Absolutely crazy stuff. Chrissy from the block. Pepe 2.0 news. Dev jumped on Telegram VC to say Pepe 2 should be back today or tomorrow. I was wondering what was happening with the Twitter. They already updated the website. Website looks very nice. More exchanges to come. Could be Binance, OKX, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Robinhood. Lots of things cooking for Pepe 2. Bullish, man. Just bullish, crazy. Like, I'm blown away, man. I'm like super ecstatic for everybody that is winning with Pepe 2.0. From your pop once again. Pepe 2 created the 2.0 meta. I love it. Keep going. Meme coins keep going. Meme coins are fun, man. They are so fun. From Jake, who's buying the Pepe 2.0 dip? It is on a dip right now. Like I said, nice time to DCA. Your pop once again. I'm obsessed with the Pepe 2.0 community. Obsessed. They've got what it takes to become the second token to hit over $1 billion market cap during this meme 5 bull run. Full send. Now, what's crazy is that we haven't had much meme coins to hit $1 billion in a while. Pepe was the last one. Man, the bear market has been painful, but if Pepe 2 goes to that $1 billion mark, that's gonna be some very nice gains, guys. So I'm looking out. I'm gonna be updating you guys. I'm bullish on the project. I like what's happening. I like who's involved. I like the community so much. The community is super active and engaged, which is what I really look for when it comes to meme coins. I see things are being done and happening constantly. Like I said, that KuCoin listing, you don't typically get a KuCoin listing that fast, right? So more exchanges on the way. I'm gonna see what exchanges happen next for the project. You know, Coinbase, Binance, OKX. Hey, that's gonna be wild, okay? Pepe 2.0 fam, thank you all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like I said before, man, 1 billion Pepe 2.0 could give you some very nice gains. So I would definitely get some exposure, man, just in case. You don't wanna miss out on some gains from these meme coins, guys, because they absolutely go ballistic, right? Once again, thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.